hearty welcome to today's chemistry session. Today in this session we will see some examples of naming mononuclear coordination compounds. We'll see the first compound is CrNH3 thrice H2O thrice Cl3. You know we have already discussed in the previous session about the rules in naming coordination compounds. So first what we have to do is we have to sort out the central metal atom in the given coordination compound. So here we have only one metal atom here, that is Cr, chromium. So that is the central metal atom. Next step is to find out the oxidation state of central metal atom. That's very easy. We can find it out very easily. Since we know the charges of various ligands, we have already discussed in the previous sessions. NH3, amine. This amine ligand has no charge. It's neutral ligand. So it is having the charge 0. And then H2O, aqua. The ligand aqua is also a neutral ligand. So it's carrying no charge. 0 charge. And then there is a counter ion. Since it is outside the coordination entity, it is counter ion. So this counter ion is having one chloride, or one chloride will have 1 minus charge. One chlorine will have 1 minus charge. How many chlorines are there? 3 chlorines are there. Okay. So it will be having 3 minus charge on it. So 3 minus. So naturally, what will be the charge of Cr here? 3 plus. So we could easily found out the charge or the oxidation state of central metal atom. Once it is ready, we know the oxidation state of central metal atom and then we know the names of the ligands. So we can find out or keep it in the alphabetical order, and then now it's ready for us to write the name of the coordination compound. So here amine and aqua, which is first in the alphabetical order, amine. So amine will start writing with amine. So how many amines are there? 3 amines are there. So triamine. Then next is aqua, next ligand. So how many water or aqua ligands are there? 3. So triamine, triaqua. We will not leave any space in between. We will write close. Whatever inside the coordination entity we will be writing continuously without leaving any space. So triamine, triaqua, chromium, central metal atom, and then 3. 3 is its oxidation state. Till that we will write without leaving any space. And then we can write what is outside the coordination entity, that is chlorine. So we will write chloride. Okay. So the name is triamine, triaqua, chromium 3 chloride. Move on with another example, that is COCl2 En twice Cl. So once you get a coordination compound for naming, the first thing is to sort out the central metal ion or metal atom. What's the central metal atom here? That's cobalt. Cobalt is the central metal atom. And then next step is to find out the oxidation state of central metal atom. So we have already explained how to find out the oxidation state. It is very easy. Here we have Cl. Inside the coordination entity we will look first. Here we have Cl. One Cl will have 1 minus charge. So 2 Cl will have 2 minus charge. En is a neutral ligand, so it will not have any charge. So the charge on En, ethylene diamine or ethane 1,2-diamine will be 0. And then outside the coordination entity we have a counter ion here. That counter ion is Cl. That means 1 Cl will have 1 minus charge. You know that as a whole, when we take it as a whole coordination compound, it should have a charge equal to 0, since it is not charged entity, shown as a charged entity. So what will be the charge on central metal atom? That will be 3 plus. So we have already sorted out the central metal atom, and we have already calculated its oxidation number, and we know the ligands, name of the ligands, chlorido and ethane 1,2-diamine. Now we are ready to start naming it. Now here 2 chlorine is here, so dichlorido. And then without giving any space, we will write the name of the next ligand according to the alphabetical order. Here we have, when we write a ligand in parenthesis, we will use the prefixes instead of di, tri, etc. We will use bis, tris, tetrapis, etc. You have already learned. So what we have to do? Here it is 2. So we have to write bis. Bis, ethane 1,2-diamine. Then outside that, then ethane 1,2-diamine. Then the central metal atom, that is cobalt. Cobalt is in +3 oxidation state. We have written the oxidation state. Then outside the coordination sphere, we have the counter ion chloride. So the name is dichlorido bis ethane 1,2-diamine cobalt 3 chloride. Why we write? We see here inside the parenthesis we have ethane 1,2-diamine. But this bis, di, etc., which are the prefixes, are not considered when we consider ligands in the alphabetical order. But instead we just look into the first name of the ligands alone. Chlorido, C. Ethane 1,2-diamine, E. So chlorido comes first, then ethane 1,2-diamine. So this is the name of the given coordination compound. Thank you. We'll see you again.